How to rarely get sick and live a long, healthy life. Are you tired of missing work, school, or even unable to do your daily routine because of a cold, fever, and other preventable diseases? Do you get the flu every year without fail? You've heard of real-life superheroes who never get sick, but how do they? Well, it's not genetics. At least most of the time, they can take those tips and tricks into an art. Follow these tips and thank me later. 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep helps reduce stress and allows your body to recover from daily activities. Scientific studies found that anything less than 7 hours triples your chances of catching a cold. So aim for a fixed 7 hours, non-stop, every night of the week. Sometimes it might mean not going out, but it's worth it for your health. The reverse is also not good. Sleeping too much is not good for you either. So avoid sleeping until the afternoon on weekends, as this will make you more tired during the week anyway. 2. Flu vaccine. Flu usually peaks around January or February. If you are interested, even your local pharmacy can give you the vaccine. Contact your doctor to see if you are a good candidate. 3. Consider calorie restriction. If you had no reason to go on a diet before, now you will. Research shows that people who eat 25% less than usual rarely get sick. Your cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure levels will drop, making you healthier. But be careful. It can be an incredibly easy diet to get wrong. It's not about starving yourself, but about eating a little less than the average Western diet. 4. Avoid tobacco, alcohol, and drugs. All of these wreak havoc on your health, not only leading to illness and ultimately near death, but also weakening you every day to a lesser extent. They can also stress you out, disrupt your natural cycle, and make simple things more difficult. So avoid it. They infiltrate our systems and wear them out. Sometimes the effects are not even felt, but they are there. 5. Take vitamins that strengthen the immune system. Before doing this, talk to your doctor so as to know which vitamins and nutrients are lacking in your diet. A diet rich in all the good stuff, especially vitamins A, C, D, iron, and zinc, will keep your immune system functioning at all levels. Many people believe in sprinkling yeast in their breakfast. Just 1 tablespoon gives you all the B vitamins your body needs. 6. Think positively. Research shows that happy people and those who don't worry about getting sick don't get sick. It turns out that positive thinkers produce higher levels of flu antibodies, though scientists aren't sure why. Relaxation and happiness may be all your body needs. It makes sense. The happier you are, the less stressed you are. The less stressed you are, the better you sleep, eat, and exercise, and the better you do everything. 7. Get outside. Do you know how sometimes you feel like all you need is a breath of fresh air? Your body is telling you exactly what it needs. It gets you rid of all those germs inside and gets you moving, and it gives your killer cells a much-needed boost. Even if it's not practice time, find an excuse to get out. Walk the dog, wash the car, have a picnic, go hiking, mow the lawn, just breathe fresh, clean air. 8. Healthy eating. The easiest way to do that is to eat less processed foods. Proper nutrition will make your body healthier and help keep your immune system in good shape. Drink enough water and try to eat organic food. The less processed, the better. Green leafy vegetables are especially rich in vitamins that help keep your immune system strong. Add some superfoods like ginger, oranges, apples, and garlic to ward off disease. They too contain many vitamins and minerals that help strengthen the immune system. 9. Practice good hygiene. In addition to the occasional shower, bring hand sanitizer to use as much as you like. Don't prefer soap bars as they can carry germs. Always dry your hands. Wet hands can harbor bacteria. Brush, floss, and rinse your mouth. A lot of bacteria are infected in our mouth. Besides general health, poor oral hygiene and gum disease have also been linked to more serious diseases, such as diabetes. 10. Exercise regularly. Do cardiovascular exercises to get the heart pumping and circulating blood. They boost your immune system, in addition to helping with weight loss, fighting inflammation, and fighting disease. When it comes to building immunity, it increases your white blood cell count, which helps fight bad bacteria and viruses. You can also try other forms of exercise that strengthen and tone your body, which will also increase the strength of your immune system. As long as you get up and move, you're helping yourself. 11. Relax and avoid stress. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to avoid stress. Lower levels of cortisol allow your body to function properly, but it also depends on your daily routine. When you're stressed, you sleep less, exercise less, and eat more. There is a stress hormone called glucocorticoid. In the long run, this hormone wreaks havoc on your system, preventing other cells from doing their work. When this happens, you become more exposed to any kind of virus and bacteria. 12. Take your hygiene to the next level. While germs are no joke, it wouldn't be bad to spot some of their tendencies. If you're really serious about not getting sick, Here are a few things you can try. Wash your hands when you get home. Avoid touching door handles regularly. You can use a handkerchief to open the door. Wash your hands after contact with strangers or use a hand sanitizer. Wear plastic gloves when handling foodstuff. In public places, don't touch everything you come across. Use a piece of tissue to flush the toilet, to open the faucet, and more. 13. Be social. Research has long linked loneliness and isolation with poor health. As humans, we are considered social creatures while in reality, we are not. This makes our bodies suffer, not to mention our mind. So be social. Use it as an excuse to go have fun with your friends. You will be miserable and happy at the same time, which is a dual duty for your combat reaction. I wish you a healthy and long life. I love you. Remember to subscribe so that we can help more and more people.